Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Discover Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a discoverbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Discover Bank, you can see the option of login on top right of the corner. You click on login. Here you need to provide your user ID and password, then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Discover Bank. As we are going to recover our user ID and password, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot user ID/password. You click on it. Now here, to recover your ID or password, you need to provide the following details. Starting from the very first, you need to go through your date of birth. Now you go in for providing a social security number. Then you go in for providing your mother's maiden name, that is last name only. After you are all done providing the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will enter into the second steps and go in for providing the instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password for your online banking account on Discover Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Discover Bank. Thank you.